Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display section. Now scroll down again, click on Easy Mode and tap on the gray sweater next to it to activate it. Then adjust all of those options however you want to and click on Home button. As you can see, Easy Mode is now on. If you want to go back to the standard one, just access the same settings and click on No Blue Sweater next to Easy Mode feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!